In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase business productivity with Google Calendar. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left sidebar, click the plus icon next to Other Calendars. Then choose Create New Calendar. Think of each calendar as a category for your work and life. Create ones like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health, and assign each a distinct color. Clear visual separation makes it easy to scan your week and instantly understand where your time is going. Pick colors you can tell apart at a glance so your schedule remains readable when things get busy. Next, fine-tune your default event settings so the calendar works the way you do. Open Settings. Then Event Settings. Set a default event duration that matches your typical meeting length. 30 or 60 minutes is ideal. Add two default reminders, such as 10 minutes before and 1 hour before, and choose whether you want pop-up notifications or email alerts. These defaults save time every time you create an event and reduce the chance of missing important tasks or calls. Now, shift from to-do lists to time blocking. Instead of writing everything down and hoping it fits, put work into your schedule. For example, 8 to 9 a.m. for admin tasks, 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If something runs long, adjust by dragging the block to a new slot. Protect your deep work blocks by placing them when your energy is highest, and leave small buffers between blocks to reset. Make repeatable work automatic with recurring events. Open an event and set it to repeat. Use this for weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Recurring events remove the mental load of rescheduling the same items and keep your routines consistent. Use the built-in productivity protections. Add focus time to automatically block meetings during deep work. Mark out of office when you're unavailable so meeting invites are declined for you, and bring tasks into calendar to see action items right where you plan your day. Ensure everything stays in sync. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, turn on notifications, connect it with Gmail, and integrate Zoom or Google Meet. Invitations from email will appear on your calendar automatically, helping you stay on top of changes in real time. Finally, use event descriptions wisely. Add a brief agenda, notes, key links like Zoom or Google Docs, and a simple checklist. Keeping context inside the event means you arrive prepared, focused, and ready to execute.